I'm going to give you a little math lesson here. If you do 33K a day for 30 days in a row, that adds up to $1 million month. At least I think so, but I'm pretty sure that's right. And in today's video, I want to share with you a store that has achieved the 34K day and that we can learn a ton about branding design from and marketing ideas. This is going to be basically a mini masterclass in just an incredible product, an incredible simple brand that, again, has achieved some pretty awesome numbers. So the store I'm talking about is called Miss Cozy, and you've probably never seen this before. I've never ran across something like this before, but I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. So as you see, they sell cozy pajamas, basically, or loungewear. Now, if we take a look at the loungewear search trend, historically, we can see that it's become a really, really big thing. I mean, we can see it's a little bit on the decline right now, which makes sense after the pandemic. Right now, people are starting to go outside. They don't want as much loungewear. But with that said, it's still a massive trend, right? Like, this is an explosion of loungewear in the past few years. And this store basically created a one product store. Obviously, they do have multiple different variants, but a one product store based on the loungewear trend. And as you see, they just really created it in an awesome way. Let me show you the landing page here. So as you see, it's very, very simple. Like, they almost have nothing on the store. It's just these cute loungewear sets, I guess. But what I love about these landing pages is, again, just how fast and simple they are. This is using the Dawn theme, which is actually what we created the Shopify brand starter kit template off of. You can check that out in the description. It's one of our ChemiLab products. This store just really killed it with the presentation. It just looks beautiful. It looks almost like a tech product, but for loungewear. I've never seen something like this before. Now, if you're wondering how they're getting a lot of their traffic, is, a lot through Facebook ads and probably TikTok ads as well. But they mainly link their Instagram and Facebook on their landing page, which they do have a pretty decent following on. As you see, 4K on Meta, and they have about 30K on Instagram. But if you take a look at this right here, this is something very intriguing as well that I haven't seen before. So another little lesson, they have this follow on shop button, and it basically allows you to subscribe to their shop app, which is so cool. This is actually Shopify's app. And it's basically their version of like Amazon Prime in a way, right? Because they actually curate a whole list of potential items that you could buy. And it's also how you pay in installments. Now, I want to take a look at their actual meta ads to break them down and show you really good examples of ads. Now, some of these things are the exact same things that we've been seeing at Akemi, the agency side of things, where we have 8-figure clients, and these are the exact same things that they're trying to do. Real quick before we proceed, I have a little announcement. I need to do this right now. Obviously, you see I'm traveling, so that's why I got the travel setup going. I'm in Florida again, but we've been experiencing a decent amount of growth at the Akemi Lab and the Akemi agency, so team has been growing. The research has been getting insane, and some of the results we've been getting have been pretty incredible as well. So now we're transitioning the Akemi Lab Mastermind into a premium product, and I want you guys to be able to be a part of it. There's already a lot of members in it, and basically everybody that has been in the Discord server is getting the opportunity to get full access for only $97, which is pretty crazy. So if you just go on the site, you can actually claim this discount code, Discord97, and you can get this for only $97. And again, this is lifetime access. Nobody's doing this kind of stuff. I want you guys in the community for life. This is kind of like an incubator for e-commerce businesses, but not just e-commerce businesses. If you're an agency owner, you want to ask me some personal questions about that in the Discord, that's where it'll be. And, we also do live calls. I mean, there's a ton of incredible value within this. So I advise you to check it out. This is like going to be one of the best products out there in the business world, in my opinion. And what's really cool is that you can actually get lifetime access for this price right now. After this is done, the price is going to go to $500 because it will include a bunch of course content. And again, this is lifetime access, so you're not paying $100 a month for the rest of your life to be a part of the community. The way I treat this is like an NFT, but without all the complications of owning an NFT, just all the utility. So I advise you to check this out. The codes do work on the other packages as well that include coaching calls with me and my team. But again, this one is the main one, so I highly advise you to check this out. Just had to mention this. Don't miss out. The link will be in the description. But now let's actually take a look at the Facebook ads of Miss Cozy so that we can see if there's anything really pivotal that we need to learn from them. Because, I mean, I already know what they're doing that's so clever. Really, it's that it's kept very simple. Like I said, it's a one product store for loungewear. You don't see that a lot these days. And as you see, they have like a meme style ad that they're running that's really good. It says, bye bye, Schlabberlook, I'm bet. And then right here, like another meme style ad. I would melt if someone got me this. So good. Now let's check this out actually. Don't let wife see this. This is such a good ad. The reason why it's so good is because it's simple, it's eye-catching. And again, it's just like appeals to basically every girl out there right now because they want to be comfy. And they show like a really beautiful home, a beautiful girl. That always helps. And yeah, these things are just like very simple marketing principles, but they've done it in a way that's super fast and appeals to a lot of different people. So schlubby PJs in bed, I don't know where this kind of language is used. I'm guessing somewhere in Europe. So maybe some of you guys can enlighten me. Obviously, the YouTube comments are one of the places that I think people undervalue. This is like the most collaborative place that you can ask questions for me and for free. Like I literally check all the comments. So make sure you ask me questions in there or just provide helpful insights as well. We can all do this together. But yeah.
Obsessed with you? Yes.
As you see, it's just like the same exact ad. It has like slow-mo features, but they're using this TikTok font on it, which is really clever. And as you see, this is the short form content, so Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels placement, which is something that a lot of people still don't know about. You can target those placements with meta ads, and this is why I'm still primarily bullish on meta ads. That's why at the agency we mainly run meta ads for brands, and that's why we can't take a ton of brands and we only work with 8-figure clients at this point because they take a ton of time and you basically need a dedicated media buyer for each client. However, that's how you get the best results, so it's worth it. And this is Shop Hunter right here, by the way. Shout out to the guys at Shop Hunter. It's so helpful to see the revenue of these stores. Even if it's an estimate, it still gives you a good idea on what's going on. So this is what I thought. This is a Berlin brand, so they started out of Germany. I figured it was probably Germany with that verbiage, but yeah, still let me know if you guys know about this brand. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll be traveling for the next 5 days, I believe. So you'll be seeing videos from here in the next 5 days. But either way, the value is going to stay the same. You guys already know. So that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.